Alright, what Mr. Knight is going to do is he is going to see this piece of tubing which is attached to the lighter. He's going to put it into the measuring cylinder stand. This is just to stabilise the measuring cylinder so it doesn't smash. You're probably going to need 2 sets of hands to do this, so grab someone to help you. And then he's going to pop it down into the water. And then what he's going to do is he's going to grab the measuring cylinder. Please do not break the measuring cylinder and be careful with it, because they're actually quite expensive. And he's going to submerge the measuring cylinder into the water, and then he's going to very carefully lift it out of the water. Again, you'll probably need another set of hands, and he's going to place the rubber tubing inside the measuring cylinder so we can express the butane gas, and the butane gas will push out the water in the measuring cylinder so we can read to see how much gas has been displaced. We can work out the amount of grams in gas, and then we can hence solve the molar mass of what's inside the butane lighter. Okay, so one thing you'll need to remember to do is to take that butane lighter, and you're going to have to measure it before and after the initial versus the final, and this is how you're going to do it. You need to make sure you keep it dry, because if there's droplets of water on it, it's going to affect it. And then you come across, so Mr. Knight's going to actually dry it, and you're going to weigh it on the balance to take the amount of gas that you're going to express before you do the experiment. You can see R1's about between 8.86, 8.85, round about there. And then you're going to, once you've taken your reading, record that down, come back, fix it up to the rubber tubing, and then you're good to go. But before you go, remember your lab group needs to find out what the air pressure is, so you're going to have to search that up to find out what your air pressure is. Good luck. Please do not break any equipment, and make sure that you release your butane gas sensibly into a fume hood. Okay, so the final step is, once you've collected your gas, and we're aiming for about 100 mils or so, is to get some tin foil and just very carefully wrap the tin foil on top of it, because it is butane and we don't want to release lots of measuring cylinders for butane into the classroom, and just release that into the fume hood, and then you're ready to go and you can work out your calculation. Ready? Okay, so what Mr. Knight is doing is he's expressing the gas, and if you look really closely, the gas is creating bubbles. Eventually it's going to push not all of the water out, but we're expecting to capture around about 100 mils, so you can keep doing that for a period of time. And yeah, that's about it for the gas displacement part.